Vyake gima mwanchi umulie beta seni kia Ndizi TV ni gochiaragire Chinsa Ikomi chia bono margoba asenero bere wekianu wakaletera amangana maya unabariki baito babere bako yasangirelia kora chingongo chansi inye Chinsa Chinsa mochi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bakanda gotobwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega asensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bakotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net Fridah Kerubo nalio kweneke na chibi channel yogire wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail Chinsa chibior kalio ni gotokubwatira nere Joshua Auta toska tonyigera ngwira nanda segeke Kerubosio elinde ngumanya mange asenchira iyo winge Mwanchi umuligirili yangu kwa ligani bene linde tobeto gusanga asobwamo gochakabono igagwe ika omwelio Amayia yebire bigani otoko yachaka korase county ya Nyamira asengo kumenya bunanigo okoboligwa kwa rure gochya asabagambi kwaneke mnanko bwatira na bale na baibuli asekirenga kyugokora obutumikibwa maliogo yogotindia asegati yabasaye okwana omorandia kora asegesa simiro kya Nyangori PG ekegotoka ime ya kitutu masaba nigo aboli abaiboli kwaneke buna nko abale chisemi abana babo asogo konyeka amatuko abosio.
Our children, our youth have indulged in drugs, bang, and even most of them, especially in the area that I'm ministering, don't even go to school. And that is a very major thing that the government is supposed to look into, and the administration of the area should go into every homestead and make sure that our children go to school so that they can broaden and diverse their minds in so many areas of this life. Youths are a great, they are actually a great investment the government and the families are putting. We are given children by God to bless our children and the children to be a blessing to us.
Omoyega wokumwaligania omoteneri begetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo bakogo kolekana litko lyerero Walter Migingi niga baga kwaliganirwa bene asoko genderelia obokoreri begetaseni kyo osanga nigo aliira gochikobwatirana na bakoli mirimo na bayiga bancha baligerelia asekerenga yokwenekya obokoreri obya imigetaseni kya Ndizi TV.
Asedieta Walter Migingi, nashukuru sana the fraternity of Ndizi TV. Asoko maiga kwa benu, I feel at home. Angariga ndi happy kabisa. It's like it is not my first day because I'm feeling like I've been working here. Bwana ase meremere Gusii to 20, it is not a one man or one lady work. Itakuwa kazi yetu sisi wote. Tobwatirane tusuki Ndizi TV gocha sebirengo media the audience also the consumers agumura bagirira baito mutagetemo moyero rasere igaso bwenge na washukuru wafanyikazi wenzangu wote asoko ngariga kwa bene na igure libe ya yo kwariga kwabo na going forward tutashirikiana kwa kila jambo ambalo tutakuwa tukifanya so that to be again Ndizi TV even na mbeye mu second record na mbeye mimi na konyere cheche tai. I thank you all and God bless you. God bless Ndizi TV. Thank you so much.
Tinga kechio boigo abakoli mirimo begetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo bagokera ogocha kwaye Walter asebairera amoncholyo gochiko kolekana ase amatuko abosio okwana omuteneneri wemerobelio megetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo aenekia okobwaterana asaliira gocha asabancha baligerelia gocha gokinya ebirengo imegetaseni kya Ndizi.
Bemono abaligerelia ba Ndizi TV ngo irali bageri asenchera bene kumwaligania mu manager Ikomi ya Walter Migingi no mu forma nene asengencho ase egeka bona tabere tokra emero tutubati mu manager kolende na gaya challenge nande alinga sense mendengia. I want to assure you bwana Waltanga Ndizi TV ne environment yo cha inki yayo okolebera and try kubashwa audience itonga ndochikogendera kuba toteneine na kuba obwansibo mu Gusii na tolenga Ndizi TV na obwansibo mu Gusii with the new manager okoleta aspect and experience yekenge as a managerial position ndochikobashwa nga ndochikogendera okora emirimo bya abo yokobayenekeria emirimo yemiya na indemu emiasmo leo.
Yes.
Kwa majina ni Felicitas Kabeni, wanajua kama safe, nafanya Ikevemberi show na pia online department. Kwetu ni furaha kama familia Ndizi TV kumpata maneja mgeni na tunamkaribisha bwana Walter, karibu kwa Ndizi TV. Tuna look forward kwa wetu kushirikiana ili tuendekeze kazi, na tunashukuru pia Mungu kwa kupata maneja mgeni. Imekuwa muda baada ya yule aliyekuwa former kuondoka, na tunakaribisha, karibu tushirikiane kwa kazi ili tuendeleze kazi sana.
Omuraibense Dr. William Ruto ngati yabaraikura Sorogongo rwa Africa ababere bagwikirana imeyense ya Italy nigo barachiye gutwara egeikarasi barabe bakumirana na barai elio gokwanera na kibarabe bagutinya obokoreri gati yense ya Italy na baigo Chinsa korwa ase Orogongo rwa Africa baigo ense ya Italy nigo irabeke gosyoria omoroberio omoya wokobwaterana ne Chinsa korwa Orogongo rwa Africa ase omuraiwense Dr. William Ruto arachikobwatoka oroboti igoro ya kawi. Omokonyi b'omuraiwense Rigathi Gachagua nigo litkolia rero abagakora egeikaro gia IBEC Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council imeomochio Nairobi nigo baba kumulikira gosinige geikare kyo kirachikobage kumulikira amangana ye budget na boigo uchumi asense ya Kenya hokwa na Gachagua nigo anikebna nigo bukurumi bwabeire bokwirania magega ense ya Kenya asikolende aboli abaraikoro ase County kweneke bunango bwatira nabale eliokorosia gose kogendelia ense ya Kenya nigo boigo aganya serikali che county wakana amadeni yo mwaka ulieta asaneke bunanigo serikali enene yabeire ke wakana amadeni gose ke wakana chi county goikira omutinyi 12 omwaka ulia.
Thank you very much. I think you have the agenda before you. And after the opening remarks, I think the first item of the agenda is the adoption of the agenda. Can I have a proposal that we adopt the agenda of the 22nd ordinary session of IBEC? Governor Joshua Irongo, propose. Seconded. Asante, thank you very much. Agenda is adopted. Then we have confirmations of the minutes of the 21st ordinary session of IBEC that was held on 6th October 2023. I trust you have the minutes before you. Page 1, page 2 and 3 is just attendance. Page 4 is just attendance. Page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10.
Egati ya baraibe dini korase county ya Mombasa nigo babere bagwesoke bene nabaigo kobolia abarai korase merengo yonsi kwanekia okoigwana chinga kibabere bakomochia chi campaign chia kendabu echiabere chi kwanekigwa anse chinsemo nabaigo gokinia liberera lya siasa imense ya Kenya okwana chinga kibale koigora bene egesa simereke moime county ya Mombasa nigo babolirie abarai yabo kwanekia kebuna ngutwara bali chinkwana cyuko igwana ase bayene kebuna kungusana no ko kwagenderete ni gukora abego kwirania amagendero imense ya Kenya.
Kama kanisa tunasema people need to sit down and listen together. You listen to me, I listen to you. And we are urging them, whatever they are doing, in their arguments, in their failures, listening in their philosophies, let's consider Wajiko. The courts are for Wajiko, the government is for Wajiko. We should all be working for the interests of Wajiko, ambaye ndiye lengo letu kama Wakenya. Hata kanisa, we are working for Wajiko. We care about Wajiko. The courts should care about Wajiko. The politicians should care about Wajiko. All of us should think very strongly about Wajiko, and this
Kobwatikana no koibwa gwetugo okukwabere gokwene kigwa sensemo ya Bomet na baigo obosagani nigo abaraikora sinseme cyo bayimukirie egetambukero na baigo gotwara egeikaro na bamenyi bensemeyo okwana omu county commander we county ya Bomet Robert Ndiwa nigo abuli abamenyi bensemeyo kobwaterana nabo igo gwaka oroboti asibitasene by'abanyanyimbo bali abarabe abakagerwa boboibi bwetugo ase chinsemecho nigabolirie abamenyi bensemeyo kwene kebunanko babale maiso chinga kichonsi asa ne kebuna oboibi bwetugo nabo igo bosagani nigo bwabeire bokwirania amagenderero ase chinsemecho
ambayo ilikuwa town kwa saisi imeisha. Tuliweza kunasa wahalifu 8 ambao walikuwa na terrorize watu hapa town na tukawastaki, saisi wako jela. Kwa upande wa wizi wa magari so far hatujaregister for the last 3 months wizi wowote, kwa sababu hapa awali kulikuwa na wizi but officers wetu wakaweza kushika.
Manchi umuliriri yakura soro batioroni ona ikiromo elio bwamangana ya asebirebiga kulinde toska nyegera chikoraga ensa AMO ayona mange nenyara senchera yobekirano nabakwenda gutobwatia asiensemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital nabega asensemo ya YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabawtinya wetra www.ndizitv.net magaich kamera soko nekimna ebichana wegeliogira gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama abigail topeto kubatenere Joshua Auta Chinsa mwache biarkelio na nchiria na Fridah Kerubo twara obuligelia borobia.